Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to invite your friends to join eToro so you can share the trading experience together and potentially benefit from referral promotions. First, log into your eToro account on your desktop or mobile device. Once you're logged in, look for the Invite Friends option in the side menu. If you can't find it there, you can also go directly to the Invite Friends page from your account dashboard. Next, you'll see your personal referral link. This link is unique to your account, so make sure to copy it carefully. Once you have the link, share it with your friends through email, social media, or any other messaging platform you prefer. From time to time, eToro runs special Refer Friend promotions. In certain countries, if your account is eligible, you'll see the details of the promotion on the Invite Friends page, so make sure to check it while logged in. That's it. By inviting your friends, you can help them get started on eToro while taking advantage of any active referral promotions. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more trading tips, and hit the bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.